Yo, Code Gang, I hear some of you guys are lazy. I hear some of you guys don't want to learn how to code. I know some of you guys don't even want to drag and drop. So, I'm going to show you guys on this video how you're going to make money with WordPress with no drag and drop, no coding, and literally no effort on your fucking part. So if you guys want to see this video, stick around because I'm going to bless you guys at the end of this video. Roll the fucking intro! What is up, Code Gang? It is your leader here, the dreaded fucking Dev, aka Mariah Carey's left butt cheek, and we're up in here doing it again. Code Gang, whole lot of code shit. You guys don't know what the fuck is going on. Welcome to another video, guys. We're up to 4,256 subscribers, which is like... That's fucking crazy, guys. I'm so excited. We're up to 4,256 subscribers, and like, I think we hit 4K yesterday, so I don't know where the fuck the 200 extra people came from, but I'm really happy you guys are here. New subscribers again, welcome. Old subscribers, welcome back. If you guys read the title, you know exactly what the fuck we're going to talk about as usual. I'm going to bless you guys and show you guys and kind of explain you guys how you're going to make money with WordPress with no coding experience, no drag and drop, none of that fancy shit for you lazy motherfuckers that want to make money. So let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. So what exactly is WordPress, first of all? So WordPress is a content management system that's going to allow you to actually put websites together real easily by utilizing themes. What are themes? Themes are actually resources that some asshole took the time to create and uploaded it for free. I don't know why, but a lot of the time some of these the really good themes are premium themes and you gotta pay for them. So like, boo-hoo on that, right? But stay to the end. I'm gonna bless 10 of you guys with some of this shit, so make sure you stay to the end. But yeah, so WordPress is a content management system, a CMS, that allows people who don't have any coding skills, anything like that, put websites together real easily by downloading themes. Now, the free themes are shit. Most of the time they fucking suck. Most of the time they don't work right. Most of the time they have advertisement on the bottom of the footer that says, you know, this was created by Jimmy Blowjob. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for 2 of the themes that I'm actually gonna be talking about on this video. One of them is called The 7. Holy shit, I just spit everywhere. The second one of them is called The 7, and then the second one is called Soul Dad. That's not soul like your soul, it's soul like S-O-L-E, and then dad, like I'm your dad. Shout out to the dude that always calls me dad. What up, son? Yeah, guys, so those 2 themes are going to allow you to actually do this. Now, how are they going to allow you to do that? Now, before I get into that, you guys are going to need a domain, and you guys are going to need cPanel hosting. So before you even get into the themes, make sure you get a domain that's catchy. It don't really matter if it's .com, .org, .com. It don't really matter, whatever the fuck you want. Just make sure you get a domain. Make sure you get hosting as well. The hosting has to be cPanel hosting. If you guys want to use WordPress, the hosting has to be cPanel hosting. Trust me, you'll thank me later if you get the cPanel hosting because it's going to allow you to download WordPress with one fucking click. Easy, lovely, that's what we love in this channel. Dreaded Dev, whole lot of code shit, y'all already know what the fuck's going on. You're gonna get cPanel hosting, you're gonna get domains, and by now you should be like $23 in the hole. I keep saying this, guys, there's no way around doing this shit for free. If you guys don't have experience and you guys don't want to work that hard and you don't even want to code or drag and drop and you want to do this, you have to put fucking money into it, guys. Life is not that easy, so put money into it. You'll thank me later. Trust me, you'll make this money back in your first client like 10 times over. The themes I suggest are good. The reason they're good is because I know Soldad specifically has around 300 pre-made layouts already available for you that you can download for one click. Pre-made layouts are websites that are almost 99.9% complete. So say for example that you're going after clients that are like lawyers, so say you're going after like hair salons or you're going after fitness people. Soldad has most of those industries already covered. They already have themes and demos that cover those industries already. So all you have to do is just download one of those demos, ask the client, ask your potential client what kind of colors they want, ask them if they have a logo, things like that, and then upload their content to that theme, and then customize that theme to their specifications. When I say customize their theme to that specifications, don't run away. You don't have to do any fucking PHP. You don't have to do anything like that. Shout out if you catch the nipple slip. Guys, it's hot as fucking Florida, so there it is. Forgive me about that. It's hot. At least I'm not naked like I was in that video. Shout out if you thought I was naked. So these themes are going to allow you to do that. You can download these demos, one click, and guys, 99.9% of the work is already done for you. All you have to do is just hit up the client and be like, motherfucker, Jimmy Blowjobs, what kind of colors you want? What the fuck does your logo look like? Do you want pictures? If so, are they gonna be of your wife flashing our boobs? Because if so, we putting them pictures up. Dreaded Dev loves the boobs, you feel me? And that's it. That's how you're gonna go ahead and do that now. The 7 theme, the theme called the 7, same thing. It has almost 200 to 300 already pre-made layouts that you can use covering every single industry of the clients that you'll probably go after. Because I always suggest going after local clients. Go after clients that have money. Go after clients that make money really quickly. Things like emergency service, like emergency carpet cleaning, emergency roofing, emergency pool repair, anything emergency repair, go for it, because those clients make a shitload of money and they make their money quick, right? If you have an emergency, you're not gonna sit there and fucking look around for the best person to actually call. You're gonna call whoever the fuck is closest to you. You're gonna pay whatever the hell it is to get whatever the hell your emergency is fixed. So go for those type of clients. The 7 and Sold That are gonna have you covered on that, guys. So if you stay till the end of the video, I know this video is kind of short, so if you stay till the end of this video, we're up to like 6 minutes. So if you're still here, I'm gonna bless 10 of you guys with some shit. Both of those themes are $60 each. I know some of you guys don't have any money, and I know, you know, coming up with $120 or even $60 is a little bit hard for some of you guys, right? Because that type of money ain't easy to come by, and I get it. So the Dreaded Dev fucking loves y'all. The Dreaded Dev is gonna bless 10 of you guys. I own these themes. I paid for the premium version that allows me to actually kind of like distribute these themes. So I own them. I can do whatever the fuck I want with them. I can wipe my ass with them, make a paper airplane out of them, shoot it to the sky, make it go around the moon, and come back at this motherfucker, right? So I can do whatever I want with these themes. I'm gonna give you guys, 10 of you guys, this themes for free, so you can actually get started making money. Because Dreaded Dev Code Gang, whole lot of code shit. We love money, and I want to see you guys succeed. I want to see some of you lazy motherfuckers that don't even want to move a finger make money, because it's 2018 and we're in America, guys. You don't even have to work hard to make money anymore. All you gotta do is just have a dream and fucking go for it, and just take action, guys. Most of the time, all you gotta do is take action. So what are you gonna do to get these themes for free? On the low. You're gonna comment hashtag Code Gang, you're gonna comment hashtag whole lot of code shit, and you're gonna comment hashtag WordPress. Those 3 hashtags, drop them in the comments below. I'm gonna pick 10 random people, and I'm gonna pick them on Monday. So this Monday coming up, I'm actually gonna be doing this. I'm gonna pick 10 random people. I'm gonna get a hold of you guys. I'm gonna send you these themes, and I might even make a video on how to walk through setting up these themes. But don't worry, guys, you're not gonna need a video. They're super easy to set up. Like I said, for the most part, it's just one-click download. Do that, get the themes. Hopefully you win it. I want to go ahead and give a shout out to everybody that watched my last video and everybody that dropped love on that video, guys. You guys made me cry more than once. I'm not going to admit how many times you guys made me fucking cry, but it happened. The Dreaded Dev shed a tear or two. Ain't no shame in that, goddammit. I appreciate the love, guys. That video was really hard to put out for the simple fact that it was real personal, but I did put it out just because I'm trying to be transparent, bro. I'm trying to be as clear as a paper bag. Which is kind of shitty because I try to kill myself with a bag, but it don't matter, we ain't talking about that shit. But yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. You see that bell, you slap that bitch so hard it fucking breaks her neck or his neck, it don't even matter, we don't judge. Yeah, guys, I really appreciate the love. I want to go ahead and say before I go that if you guys are going to go ahead and start the 100 days of code challenge on Instagram, make sure you hashtag 100 days of code, make sure you hashtag Code Gang, and make sure you tag me on it. Actually tag me on it so it shows up on my page so I can repost your shit. I really don't have time to be sitting there and going there through a bunch of hashtags and shit. I wanted to, I knew I said I was going to, but I tried to and that shit took forever. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that and get shout outs on Instagram, which I suggest you do, go ahead and hashtag Code Gang, go ahead and hashtag 100 days of code, and tag me on the picture. I promise I will repost your shit on my live thing. I promise I will give you guys what I'm saying I'm gonna give you. So again, if you like the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so. If you see that bell, slap that bitch so you know when I upload. I'm the Dreaded fucking Dev. We're up to 4,256 fucking subscribers as of making this video. We're shooting for 10K. I'm trying to be at 50,000 subscribers by the end of the fucking year. So if you guys can help me do that and you guys can help me share the videos, I fucking love y'all. You guys are part of the Code Gang, whole lot of code shit. Y'all already know what the fuck is going on. And I want to wish everybody a happy weekend, a safe weekend. Don't drink and drive unless you take an Uber, and if you're taking an Uber, get a hooker on the way. Dreaded Dev, fucking love you guys. I'm out.